all, no, okay, gusto kong humingi ng pasensya and I just want to apologize. It was a lapse from my social media team. And I told them na, wala, nandito na tayo. Let's just learn from our mistakes. And tutuwa nga ako dahil kumalat siya ng maigi. Ganun pa pala ako ka-relevant sa mundong ito.
Mga reflection mo after noon, na you posted, sabi yung iba para ka daw si Honesto.
Si Santino
Yung
pa
pa,
nga,
tsaka
no?
si Pedro Calungsod, ang
Oo.
attack.
Well, thank you, Jay. Salamat sa tanong. For me naman kasi, I was a public servant of Tarlac, no? Ito lang naman yan eh. The intention was there,
Oo.
but the photo didn't land well or fit with that prayer or post, no? So, sa lahat po ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas, ako humingi ng tawad mula sa aking social media team. At hindi natin masisisi yung mga tao ngayon na everyone has the right to say their opinions, no? Everyone has the right to say their arguments or like a bad things that they want to say regarding in our government, no? But in my case, thank you and for giving me this chance and to apologize.